Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the backend container so you can iterate fast. Install Docker Engine and Docker Compose, then create a concise Docker file using Node. 18. Set workdir copy package. JSON, run npm install and copy source. Once done, use Docker ignore to avoid copying Node modules. Make sure to expose port 5000 and map it in Compose. Keep sensitive values in. Env, not in the image. Build the image locally to confirm the server starts before moving to the front end. Now you connect the pieces with Docker Compose so they behave like a single system. Define services, backend, frontend, and Mongo, and attach them to a shared network. For React, use a multi-stage Docker file, build the production bundle, then serve static files with Nginx to reduce image size and improve caching. Mount a Docker volume for Mongo data to persist state. Once Compose is defined, run Docker Compose up build and confirm the backend can reach Mongo via the service name as host. Finish by optimizing and deploying the stack so it runs reliably. Reduce image size with slim bases and multi-stage builds, strip dev dependencies, and leverage layer caching. For deployment, either use Docker Compose on a server or push images to a registry and orchestrate with Kubernetes. Once deployed, automate builds in CI. If something fails, check logs with Docker Compose logs F and verify container connectivity and environment variables with Docker inspect. These steps quickly
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.